Travis would make us some money where we could find some stuff to improve our work conditions.
I need y'all to speed up.
I'm Brad. Been here for a month and a half. Usually, I handle all the shipments of the new hammer heads, but most of the time I'm in here doing all the handles and orders and shit.
Yeah. Brad, Auburn, D19.
Duke University.
Duke University.
I'm ready. All right. So today we're gonna make some switch boxes. Me and Ethan. I haven't built one in like 6 or 8 months, so I got to refresh my memory. We'll see how quick I can do one explaining it versus Ethan just working. And if I beat him, he's fired. But don't tell him that. So anyway, this is our switch box. So we have the 2 start buttons and the 1 stop button. We just do that so it's harder to accidentally activate it, as I've said numerous times. And then this is our relay. It's actually a little programmable timer. I found these, I don't know how I found these, but they fit really well. So we buy these and have them pre-programmed. So whenever we get them, we just wire them up and they're good to go. We're gonna just start off with wiring, I guess. We have, this right here is our wire that kills the power. So whenever you hit the stop button, it kills power to the relay, which turns it off. So we're gonna bring those 2 together, put a red heat shrink on it. I'm all nervous. Then we go with our blue. And so this is our trigger button. This is what turns the relay on. He's beating me already, I can feel it. All right, so when we loop those around, we got those 2 tied in. Next, we're gonna go with the 3 grounds. They all get tied together. Did I hit it? Hey, Ethan, I need you to get that for me. So we get all 3 of those even together.
Did you cut them down?
Tie them in. Don't talk to me. All 3 of those grounds are good. So these 2 right here link these 2 buttons. So when you hit both of them, the power goes through, makes connection. All right, so that can loop down through there. Then we take our 2 reds on our start buttons, those together. All right, and so this is our output on our timer. So this is what actually goes to the 3rd function and gives it power. And so we're tying in the 2 LEDs to that output. So whenever you turn these on, it sends power through here and it lights up. So that way you know it's on. So this is where our main power is going to come in from our seat safety switch. So it's going to tie into the common on the first one, and then our common and our our common and our power on the stop button. Do 6 foot of the black and the green, 9 foot on the red. Go ahead and put this through our heat shrink. We're beating. Tie our red in right here. This is our incoming power. All right, we're gonna do our green last. All right, so we wanna make sure that we get evenly distributed heat all the way around so it shrinks the solder and closes everything up. Going down, Ethan. All right, so we have all those shrunk. Then we're gonna do the output. So we have to have a diode. So this, whenever it sends power out, it's tied into the 3rd function. And so if we don't have this diode, whenever you activate your 3rd function, your lights on your switch box will light up. Might be losing. I might be losing. This won't be good. You hand me the zip tie gun? Let's see. What the hell?
You sabotaged him.
He did. It's not working. I want to just win. Damn it. Now all these wires being laced together, like laid together perfectly, is very important. It has a hard time going through the grommet if not. Sabotage myself.
Backwards?
No, I tried to go too quick and I messed up the grommet. I am the creator of this. You can go whichever way I say.
I can still do them faster.
That's what I get for talking crap. Where's the daggum oil? I mean, that's why. All right, so all that's in and correct. Sorry, I got in a hurry because I got nervous. I thought I was gonna lose. You snip these, or strip these. Can't talk either. Gotta win. Gotta win. All right, so we're hooking our power, our ground, and our output out. And if we did it right, booyah. Pop those, cut them, roll them up. Did I win?
Yes.
Where are the serial number stickers now? I don't know where nothing is in here anymore.
Warning sticker right in front.
Well, the warning, yeah. So we have our, can you see it?
Yep.
Serial number sticker. Says seat safety or whatever. Seat switch power, ground, third function, and you can scan that for the install. And it has a serial number. It'll have, this one will have my signature and the date. Today is August 15th, 2024. I want to do TO 8/15/24. And that is completed switch box.
Did you put your name underneath your initial underneath that sticker?
No, and you're not gonna get me on a technicality.
Did you time it?
You said it's time.
That was about
Boom.
probably 15.
15. That was with talking. Come on, Lana. All right, you get done. Me and Lana are gonna do one next. Obviously, we don't rush that bad whenever we're just really doing them. These guys, I think, screw off more than they work sometimes. But you can see we do test it, make sure that it works, functions properly. I mean, we do that with everything. Sometimes stuff goes out and I guess gremlins get in it in the box, but we won't talk about that.
Huh?
What you been doing?
Just got gas delivered and just started the robot. So
Oh.
while I'm beating Travis in the switch competition, I'm welding 2 hammerhead decks.
Oh.
So. Not trying to toot my horn.
He said on shipping valves, we have some of the blocks already assembled. If you want me to, I can ship some of those whenever you want. I said, yes, please ship immediately. So hopefully he'll ship some out today. We should have them Monday.
Figure out where everything is.
And
Clip right there wasn't grabbing on the other one.
sabotage both.
Yeah, sabotage me. Or I tried to sabotage him more than he did me, so I can't say that.
I mean, you got a drill.
I got one drill.
You got one drill.
All right, so we're not putting the grommet in until
The end.
time.
Where's the ground? Where's the ground?
Should be right there where it says grommet.
Travis would make us some money where we can find some stuff to improve our work conditions.
I need y'all to speed up.
Right, you recording right now?
Oh yeah.
Still don't
Can you
think.
cut this little part out of the video?
No.
I'm about to say, I give y'all everything you could possibly need
Mm-hmm.
to be successful.
Except the name
Floor sweeper.
floor sweeper.
I have given you.
I know, and I'm
The
selling.
parameters.
Hey, I'm selling them.
You get them sold, I'll buy you a ride-along floor sweeper, mopper.
I'm gonna give you some headphones.
We're gonna have to build a sidecar for you.
And a third heat.
What in the world? I should have bought.
Yeah, I still don't know why we ain't going.
All right, ready?
Yeah. What you got? Hold on. What you doing?
Okay, so we wanted to make a good video. I think we may have done that already. And Landon came in talking that shit. So we're gonna see if he can beat me or if I can beat him. And then one of us will walk away a loser. Honestly, don't know if it's gonna be me or him. He might beat me. But we're gonna go in 3, 2, 1.
You know what your record time was, Landon?
Start to finish,
Yep.
a little under 10.
Ooh.
At least the day that I came in here, and Ethan had like 3 of them on the table he was working on, and I came in here and did 2 before he got a single one.
Telling y'all, one of these days, Ethan's gonna come in and go postal on all of you.
Ooh.
Sticker. Don't forget to wrap it up. Ethan, this is me and Travis in this competition.
Yeah, well, I was giving you the.
To my right?
Speaker.
Oh, would you look at that? Never mind, Ethan. I thought you were doing something different. Don't listen to me. You're just an asshole.
When do I ever listen to you?
You should never.
8:15.
See LC right there? That stands for Let's Cut. Because I just won. Now I look at son of a...
That was about 10 minutes, Landon.
Like riding a bike.
9 minutes and 45 seconds.
Time.
10-10.
So you beat me by 30 seconds.
Yep.
This means I trained you right. Did you put
This
the?
is a lot. Right?
Oh, I'm gonna pull a Ethan. Did you put those on there? All right, I got beat. So
What's your prize?
I forgot Landon. We had to fire Ethan because he lost.
Yep.
Isn't that what we said in the beginning?
They're fired.
I'm just kidding.
I know.
I wouldn't try to do that. All right, so we did it. Hopefully this was entertaining. It was at least entertaining for me. So we don't normally build them that quick, but we try to. So you can see we have a test mechanism, whatever you want to call it, set up. So every one of them gets tested, make sure that they're functioning properly. We do the same thing with switch handles and the hammerhead box. We've got this gigantic elaborate thing set up, so we plug every box into this, and these are all test lights. So we run through the function, make sure it works, and test everything. So hopefully when it gets to you, it is correct. Unless Ethan did it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this, and if you didn't, then you're just boring. That's all I can tell you. I had fun, even though I lost.
At least you didn't get dead last.
Yeah. Peace out.